Building a house can be exciting, but it's important to save money along the way. Here are some tips to help you cut costs. First, make a detailed budget. Know how much you can spend on land, materials, and labor. This is going to help you stay on track and avoid surprises. Second, choose a simple design. A smaller house or one with fewer complicated features can save you a lot of money. One, excuse me. Open floor plans are often cheaper to build and maintain, and it looks nicer, it's bigger. Third, do some work yourself. If you have skills like painting or landscaping, consider doing these tasks to save on labor costs. Just make sure you know your limits. Another way to save is by shopping around for materials. Compare prices from different suppliers to find the best deals. You can also look for discounts on items like appliances or fixtures. Now finally, hire a good contractor. A skilled contractor can help you avoid costly mistakes and keep the project on schedule. Ask for references and get multiple quotes before deciding. All right? By following these simple tips, you can save money while building your dream home. If you have any comments or anything you want to add that can help anybody else, put it in there. See you soon.